Hey everybody, welcome to Game 9 of Season 9 of Ben's Home Baseball League. Today we've got the Connecticut Stunners at 2-2 at my Birmingham Pistols, who are 3-1. You can check out the standings there at the bottom. Right now Memphis and Birmingham are tied for the lead through 4 games at 3-1. Connecticut in third place at 2-2, and Nevada Lions bringing up the rear at 0-4. So an important early season game for both teams, so let's get under the lights. Thanks for joining us here. This should be a good one. We go to the top of the first. For Birmingham, we've got Matt Miller pitching today. Career record of 7-4. Been a couple of years in the league here. For the Stunners, had a heck of a win last game. So if you want to check out that last game, that was quite the game. Instant classic, I would say. So first off, we got Ozzie Smith, the leadoff for the Stunners. Top first. Strikeout by Miller. It's a good way to start for the Pistols. Orlando Mercado. Oh, that's not a good way to start. That's going to be a triple. So triple by Mercado with 1 out. Puts him in definite scoring position. Miller's going to need a strikeout to keep a run off the board. And he doesn't get it. In fact, he gives up a single. Mercado scores. So RBI single by Cotto. Good start by the Stunners here. Galarraga up next. 1 down. 9. Fly out to right. Runners advance at base. Alou, let's see if Miller can get out without any further damage. 2 down. No, he does not. That's a home run by Alou. Bad start by the Pistols here. 2 out, home run by Alou. Connecticut out early, 3-0. Craig Biggio up next for the Stunners. He's going to get a double. Miller struggling early. Wilvio Veras up next for the Stunners. That's not helping either. Wow. Triple. Another triple. 2 triples. Another run in. So Veras with the RBI triple. Second triple of the inning. I don't see that very often. Armando Rios. That's going to be an out. So finally, Birmingham gets out of the inning, but a ton of damage done. 4-0 Stunners. Pitching for the Stunners is Jarrett Wright. An 8-1 record in 2 years. Quite and very impressive here in the BHBL to have that kind of record. We got top of the order, of course. Pistols, Jesus Tavares. Let's fly out to right. 1 down. Wayne Kranchiki. 8. That's going to be a single. Single by Kranchiki. So we got a man on. 1 down. Robbie Cano here. 5. Fly out to right. Runners do advance. So 2 down. Man on second for Ron Gant. Been with the Pistols since season 1. 45 career home runs. Great career in the BHBL. But not there. So Wright gets out of the first inning. Gets out of danger. We go top second. 4-0 Connecticut. Off to a great start for Connecticut. Tony Fernandez. That's an out. 1 down. Back to the top of the lineup already for the Stunners. Ozzie Smith. 6. That's ground ball to first. That's 2 down. Mercado. Struck him out. So Miller settles down. Gets a 1-2-3 inning. We go to the bottom of the second inning. Caminetti up first for the Pistols. It's a 9, but that is going to be an out. That's going to be a fly out to right. 1 down. Jorge Posada. 10. That's a home run. Home run Posada. Gets the Pistols on the board. Solo shot 4-1 now. Here's Bichette. That's an 8. That's going to be a single. So Bichette gets a single. So 1 down, 1 on. Benji Molina up for the Pistols. 7. Struck him out. So 2 down. That's Wright's first strikeout today. We got Tony's Gutierrez. 2 down. 8. That's a single. Runners advance 1 base. So 2 out single by Gutierrez. Let's see if Tavares can do any damage with 2 outs. Big spot early. We'll see. Struck him out. Well, that was a big spot with a 2 out strikeout. So big strikeout by Wright. So we go top third. That's Wright's second strikeout of the day. We've got Cotto, Galarraga, and Alou due up for the Stunners. Gone. Wow, Henry Cotto, gone. Heart of the lineup here for Connecticut. Has been doing it for a while. Won some championships. Won a lot of championships. Ground ball to short, 1 down. Alou. Double. Moises Alou, his second hit of the game. 1 down. Let's see if Miller can limit the damage. Fly out to left, hold runners. Okay, 2 down. Clovio Veras up, 2 down. 4, that should do it. Yep, ground ball to short. And we head to the bottom of the inning. 5-1 Stunners. We got Kranchicki, Cano, and Ronnie Gant. Wayne Kranchicki leading off. That's an out. 1 down for Cano. That's going to be a single. So Robbie Cano gets on base, his first hit of the day. Ron Gant, 1 down. That's a strikeout, 2 down. That is Wright's third strikeout of the day. Ken Caminiti with 2 down. See if he can do anything here. Yes, 2 out double. Runner comes in to score. So big hit. Big hit by Caminiti. First hit, drives in a run. Jorge Posada up next. Homered, his first at bat. Did not hear, so fly out to right field. So that's 3 down. But Birmingham staying in it. 5-2. We go top 4. We got Rios, Fernandez, and Smith. Some out. 1 down. Tony Fernandez. Ooh, that probably is a walk. Yep. Walk to Fernandez. So 1 down. Walk to Fernandez. And now we got the top of the lineup here for the Stunners. 8. That's going to be a single. Runners advance 2 bases. Miller in trouble again. There's Mercado. 1 down. I need a strikeout here. Doesn't get it. Gives up a home run. Wow. 3-run home run by Orlando Mercado. Second hit of the day. It is 8-2. It really getting out of hand here. We're going to have to look at the Birmingham bullpen here and see who we can get up to pitch. We are gonna get John Havian up in the pen. We need something here. All right. Up next is Henry Cotto. 8-2 stunners. Just putting it on. 2 outs. Galarraga. 3 outs. Whew. Heading to the bottom of the 4th. 8-2 stunners. We've got bottom of the lineup, Bichette, Molina, and Gutierrez for the Pistols. There's Dante Bichette. Struck him out. 1 down. Bright's 4 strikeout. Benji Molina. The ground ball is short. 2 down. Tony's Gutierrez. So 9. That's going to be a fly out to right. So 1, 2, 3 inning. Birmingham is not helping themselves here. So that's it for Miller as we go to the top of the 5th. He got 4 innings pitched. Gave up 8. Not a good outing by Miller today. John Habian pitching for the Pistols. We've got Alu Biggio Veras for the Stunners. 8-2 top 5. So 5. That's an out. 1 down. Biggio. Gone. Wow. Home run. Craig Biggio. Makes it 9-2. Biggio's 2nd hit of the day. Rios. That's going to be a fly out to right field. 2 down. And ground ball to 3rd, lead runner out. But Connecticut plates another one. 9-2. Things not looking good. Bottom of the 5th for the Pistols. We do have the top of the lineup coming up. Let's see if the Pistols can start something here. They need it. They need a big rally. 2. That's a ground ball to 1st. That's an out. Kranchiki. 10. That should be a double. Double for Kranchiki. All right, getting the man on there. His 2nd hit of the day. Up to Robbie Cano. 1 down. That's a 4. This is a ground ball to short, but runners advance. It's 2 down. Runner on 3rd. Ron Gant up at the plate. Cleanup hitter. And it looks like he got a single. Yeah, good. All right. Single. 2 out single. Drives in a run. So Gant with his 1st hit of the day. 1st RBI. Pistols get 1 back. They need a lot more, though. Ken Caminetti. That should help. That's going to be a double. Ron Gant comes all the way around to score. So a little bit of life here. Caminetti's 2nd RBI of the day. We got Jorge Posada. 2 down. And that'll probably do it for the inning. Fly out to right. But Pistols call a couple back. But man, pitching needs to get it together here as we go to top 6. We are going to get somebody started in the Connecticut bullpen here, just in case. We're going to start Steve Shiflett. So top 6, we got Fernandez, Smith, Mercado. There's Tony Fernandez. 9-4. It's a strikeout. All 7s are strikeouts again. Even with his 1st strikeout of the day. Ozzie Smith, 1 down. Ground ball to 1st. 2 down. Orlando Mercado. Strikeout. So 1, 2, 3. That's exactly what the Pistols needed. They just need a lot more runs. Bichette, Molina, Gutierrez, bottom of the lineup here, and the bottom of the 6th. So Dante Bichette. That's gone. All right. Dante Bichette with a leadoff home run. Pistols showing some signs of life. We're not going to have too long of a hook here we might have a short hook for right here. We'll keep an eye on it. 6, that's an out. 1 down. Tony's Gutierrez. Got a hit today. Struck him out. 2 down. That is Wright's 5th strikeout of the day. Top of the lineup, Tavares. 6, that's an out. Okay, promising start, but kind of fizzled quick. 9-5 going into the top of the 7th. Stunners up. So we got Cotto, Galarraga, Alou right in the heart of the order for Connecticut. 5, that's a fly out to right. 1 down. Galarraga. Ground ball to first. 2 down. Alou. Ground ball to short. 1, 2, 3. Quick 1, 2, 3 inning there. We go to bottom 7. We're going to keep right in there. And any signs of trouble, probably pull them. So Crenchiki, Cano, Gant. Hard to line up for Birmingham, but not a lot of action from these 3 today. But there's some action as Crenchiki goes home run in the leadoff spot. So with that, I think we left Wright in there probably 1 too long. So Wright gets pulled. He has 6 innings pitched and 6 runs allowed. So he's done for today. We got Steve Shiflett on to try to hold the Pistols back. We got Robbie Cano up. That's 1 out. That is ground ball to first. Ron Gant, 1 down. It's a 9. Fly out to right, 2 down. Ken Caminetti. Ooh. 3 down. So Shiflett comes in, does a good job. Top 8. 9-6 Connecticut. Still have a pretty good lead here. Biggio, Bears, Rios. Let's see if Havian can hold. Biggio, that's a 4. That's 1 down. Verez. 6. That's a ground ball to first. It's 2 down. Rios. It's a 9. That might be a single here. And it is. Single. 2 out single by Rios. First hit of the day. We got Tony Fernandez. 2 down. Let's see. There's a big spot here. I think Birmingham has to hold. Can't run any more runs. And they didn't. Ground ball to second. 3 down. All right, bottom 8. I'm going to leave Shiflett in there. We've got the closer Plesac up and warming up in the bullpen. We've got Posada, Bichette, Molina, bottom of the order, but Posada has a home run today. Doesn't get one there. Fly out to right. 1 down. Bichette. Struck him out. So that's Shiflett's first strikeout. 2 down, and then we got Benji Molina. Nope. So 1, 2, 3 inning. Whew. That was not a good start. 9. That was not a good inning. Looking bleak here for the Pistols. 9-6 stunners going into the top 9. So we've got top of the order, Smith, Mercado, and Cotto. Ozzie Smith. Struck him out. 1 down. Cotto. Struck him out. 2 down. 2 in a row strikeouts there. 4 strikeouts by Havian. Pretty good. Henry Cotto. And that is a fly out to right field. So 1, 2, 3 inning. So Shiflett did his job. 2 innings pitched, 0 runs allowed. And we got Dan Plesac coming in to close. We got Gutierrez, Tavares, and Cronchiki. Bottom 9. We need a huge rally here from the Pistols. Gutierrez, has a hit today. Doesn't get one there. 1 down. Tavares, 1 down. Need a miracle here. Don't get one. Ground ball to first, 2 down. Kind of on life support from Cronchiki. He had a good day. And that's it. 1, 2, 3 inning. It's going to be 9-6 Connecticut. So Birmingham with the loss. Connecticut takes the win, 9-6. Wright gets the win. Plesac gets the save. Miller takes the loss for Birmingham. MVP for Connecticut is going to be Orlando Mercado. 2 hits, 1 home run, and 3 RBIs. Not a lot on the Birmingham side. I guess we'll give it to Ken Caminetti, who had 2 hits and 2 RBIs. So that's your game. Hope you enjoyed it. 9-6 Connecticut. Thanks for watching.